Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to remove your halogen bulb and replace it with LED lights. As you can see, this side here has LED lights. I'm going to show you how to install the LED lights. I have two types of LED here I bought on Amazon. I'll put it in the description. This one is this one here. Forgot the name of it. I think this is the name, not too sure. And I have these here. These are called Farron 300% brighter LED lighting kit. Let's see, it has 300. It says 300% brightness, 12,000 RPM fan. It has CAN bus ready, easy installation. 65 K IP68. And for this 2003 Toyota Corolla, the low beam, I'm doing the low beam. The low beam is 906 or H. It can be H8, H9. No, I think it's H8 alone, and 906 for the low beams. High beam is 905. So if you're looking for LED lights, so as you can see, this side I already did the driver side. So I'm gonna turn off the lights. That's how it looks. I'm gonna Okay, so it's very simple. Come around here, just undo the connector, the plug here, the harness wire. Just lift up this tab and just push it down like this, and then you twist this counterclockwise like this, and then you just wiggle it out. It's out. Halogen bulb is out. And if you're gonna reuse this, you don't want to touch it to get the oil on your skin on it. When it heats up, you're gonna blow the bulb. Okay, so this is the one I'm putting on here. You can adjust this this part here. It comes with a Allen key, a small one, to adjust it. The adapter here, because sometimes it needs to line up like this, facing 9 and 3 o'clock position, not like this. It comes with the CAN bus decoder, like the ballast, so it won't flicker, and it's plug and play. If you plug it in and it doesn't work, you just turn this plug around, because it has the polarity, or just switch it around from the driver's side to the passenger side. So I'm gonna just install this right here like this. Just gonna put this in here. I'm gonna line it up and just give it a turn. Turn it clockwise to get it in there, so it seats in, it clamps in there. Okay, so the LED bulb is in here already. So I just have to plug this in like this. So like I said, if you plug this in like this, so I'm just gonna leave it like that to see, and turn the switch on. Okay, so this side I did already, so this side didn't come on as yet. So let me see if it's gonna work. Okay, so I just have to flip this around. That's why I didn't plug it in as yet. Let me see. Okay, so it's working, as you can see here. So this side is connected properly, so I just gotta clip this in like this, so it's back on. And it comes with zip ties and stuff, so if you want to zip tie this so it won't shake all over the place like this, so you can zip tie it somewhere. So that's it right here. As you can see, it's brighter. You want to check it also, make sure it lines up 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock. So that's it. It's very easy to change your halogen bulbs and install the LED ones. It's brighter, lasts longer. So that's how you change your LED lights. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.